Jessica with Iguana Solutions, and today I'm dressed as an FWC officer because it's Halloween. So happy Halloween, and check out this costume, FWC. I got my official badge that says FWC. It also says, "I'll take your boat." I have fish I've confiscated. We have undersized snook and a Caribbean spiny-tailed lobster or spiny lobster, whatever they're called. All the stuff that they take from you, right? I almost took a plastic boat and put confiscated on the boat and carried around the confiscated boat. So this morning I ran into an FWC officer that was really cool about it and let me take a picture with his truck, so I'll try to include that. I wasn't in costume yet, but I did have my confiscated fish. He was really nice. So, of course, today's Halloween. We're out looking for iguanas. We haven't seen any yet for some reason, but we're gonna try to get them with nothing other than the Ghost. I'm using the 177 Ghost because right now my green 22 Ghost is jacked way up and is super high power and not exactly what I want to use around residents. So this is the carbine version in a 177, so we're not shooting with nearly as much FPE, and a little safer to be running around everybody with this gun. So this is, of course, an air gun, and we're going to be shooting JSB pellets out of it, which we have in this sneaky pocket. So let's go hunt down some invasive species while we pretend to be an FWC officer. Happy Halloween. Okay, so we spotted an iguana on this palm tree, just barely peeking over. The weather's beautiful today, but for some reason the iguanas are not out. So I've got the parallax right around 25 yards. Gonna see if we can't pop him in the eye.
To the left?
To the right? I think we're pulling right still. Let me see. I'm going to hold left and see if I don't need to click. Yeah, my zero's off. Okay, we've got another iguana up above him on the frond. He's probably 25, maybe a little over, like 27. You've seen?
Yep.
Oh, he loved that shot. He's just dead on the ground. Let's approach slowly in case there's more in these palms we're not aware of, because we've had trouble finding iguanas here today. Yep, glad I got those though. So you can see the 177 comes through perfectly with a single shot. You just got to get the right placement. I need to check my zero past about 25 yards. I think I'm shooting just slightly right. The other guy's right here. Also out like a light. Got a funky tail going on. Fake FWC officer comes through again. Going about 50 yards. Hit him right chest. Got him right in the back of the head. There he goes. Got you, iguana. 50 yards with the Ghost. Ghosted him on Halloween. Can't get better than that. Got you, iguana.
I see him.
could be a second one over here somewhere. Right here. Right there, it says F323. I think I got him. I got him. He was running away.
Yeah, I saw it, but I didn't catch. I didn't.
I freaking popped. Ooh, he's a nice shot too. He was on the run, but he was running away from me. So I caught him just on top of the head. I held just barely over his head. Got that iguana. Happy Halloween. I think there might be another one. Make that happen right there. A little over 20 yards, maybe like 25, 30. We need this shot to count. Paralight says he's closer to 35, 40 yards. Well ahead, there he is. We'll try that one more time. I think I'm shooting over him.
That was like at the tip of his nose, I think.
Was it? Let's try it one more time. Oh, it was right in the eye. He is just a flipping around. He definitely got ghosted. Grab the atomic, grab the atomic. He's at the base of this tree right here, and I think he's blind.
He's walking.
I don't see him now. Do you still see him?
He's in that same spot. You're in the. He's still right there.
Oh, I see him. He's blind, so he's just wandering around at the base of the tree. Oh,
And another one?
there's a little one. The little one's still right here in the grass somewhere, if I can see him. This big boy is a good size iguana. That ghost took out his eyes, and it was the choice because it was a good distance. The atomic loses power after about 40 yards, so we ghosted him in the eye, and then we used the atomic close up. Sometimes we do tag team the guns because each one does have a different purpose, and we use them for exactly those purposes. Got you, iguana. They're really skittish here. A second one just ran along the water. Oh, he's a dancer. I like it when they dance.
Great shot.
I think that there's another one along the water if we sneak over there And I thought I just saw movement in this grass right here. The sun's really coming out. Got you, iguana? I hope we find some more.
There's a lot of squirrels out.
Y'all, check out these iguanas covered in ticks. I mean, if that isn't nasty, I don't know what is.
Ew, gross!
Man, we're gonna have to collect some of them and try to get them over to the researchers and make sure these things don't carry anything. Just got the high power, about 15 yards, moving.
Alright, you're good.
Got an iguana right here that's about to get away. Got a nice backstop. 20 yards.
Nice.
They love to eat this plant, and what they do is they eat the center. This center leaf grows out, and it's soft, and they come and eat just the middle one, and then all these leaves are torn up because it got eaten up whenever it was a new leaf. So he was at the center there, it's munching on that bright green leaf, and that's what they do. So when you find these plants, you look for iguanas at the center of the plants. I told you earlier they come down and eat.
You did. That was a good eye. He's going up the tree. He's going up the tree to the left. To the left. Second tree to the left. He's going up the tree.
I'm looking. I saw a bird in there.
No, he just climbed up. He's on that bottom middle part.
On this tree?
Yeah, second tree.
He's on the left side or the right side of the tree?
He's climbing like on the left side of it. But you see where the first branches are? He should be like right there. He's hiding right there. Ooh, oh, I just seen two more.
Yeah, I see one. You see two more?
Yeah.
Is that not in the front?
Nah, they were down there. To your left.
They're on the ground or they're on the
Yeah, they were on the ground. They're running.
Are they on the ground still?
Nah, I just seen them run. I'm not gonna lie, I missed. Oh, come right here.
You can see.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I missed that first shot.
Okay.
Straight up. Right there. You see her? Oh, my toe.
Sorry. Right here.
Alright. Straight up, you see the one that's like.
I see it. And my power's on low.
Hold on.
Fix my parallax to 10.
Alright, I got her on camera.
Holding just over. Take
Nice.
another shot on low. She's big. It looks like.
They're running.
Changing back to a medium power. Let me get to where I can see it better. Right here. Can you see?
No, not at all.
You gotta come over here.
Alright, hold on 1 second.
Up through the sky right there.
Okay, yeah, I see it. Hold on, wait. Alright, do your thing. Got him.
Let's hit one more time, see if we can watch where he lands. Should land way out here. Got a branch.
Oh, there he is.
that landed.
Yep.
Let me see if I can go get it. Alright guys, I'm tired of losing all my quarry in this water. We're gonna go get this iguana for sure. I hope it's not too deep right there is my only concern. Let's find out. Halloween iguana with my confiscated fish. That's how FWC hunts iguanas, guys. Watch FWC get mad at me. There you go. Got you, iguana. It's really hard to shoot at.
Nice.
Is he dangling?
I think yeah, he's dangling right here. Here, I'm gonna step back and you can see him dangling straight ahead. See the thick branch in front of you? Look right above that one. See him dangling like a Christmas tree ornament.
Well, just show him to the viewers because I don't see him. He was a beast, man. He was hard to find. He kept going to the farthest branches and putting as much between me and him as he could. I guess that might be a smart iguana, but it didn't help him.
Hold on, I'm trying to find him. Oh, there he is. He's hanging like a Christmas ornament.
Yeah, I see him. Just flip it in the wall.
There's a stick right here.
Give me the stick. Give me the stick. Can't let my badge get wet. Nobody will believe that I'm FWC without my badge. Got you, iguana. FWC official. Guys, we spotted our Halloween iguana. I'm so excited. Let's see. We are almost low on air. We're putting it on high power. Make sure we get a decent shot on this boy because I want to recover him. Yes!
Say it ain't so.
Oh my God!
Say it ain't.
Dude!
Where's the gun? I'm here. I'm here. Oh my goodness.
Guys, look at the jowls on him. I mean, this is a huge iguana. Look at my hand wrapped around his back leg. He is so strong, he almost got away from me. We took his eye out. So, perfect shot to the eye, right around 25 yards. There's the shot to the eye. We're gonna put another one right on top. See the white dot between those lumps on his head? That is his perennial eye. That was supposed to say parietal eye. It goes straight to the brain. We're gonna pop him right there so that we put him out right away. Got you, Iguana. Thanks for joining Iguana Solutions. Okay guys, I have blood and mud all over me. We've got a monster iguana right here. We're predicting he's about 12, 13 pounds. And we ended up getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 iguanas total. We've been here about 2 hours. It's not very quick going here, but they have really big ones that are hidden in the trees if you can find them. We lost about 4 to the water. And today on Halloween, we used, of course, our 177 Ghost by BRK. This gun is great for over 30-yard shots and up to 100 yards. But this one is my shorter range gun, so I used both guns today depending on which shots made the most sense. So thanks for joining. I hope you appreciate the FWC official costume that I wore for Halloween, and join us next time. Got you, Iguana. Let's go see what everybody's dressed as. I'm an FWC officer.
Your peel down. Yeah, it's good. It's a head. You got a head with you too. You're on this, man. Evil banana in the weird category. That is quite a wingspan. Part of our best overall costume contest contenders. Oh, hello, Mr. Knight. For honor. That is awesome. Very cool costume. Best overall continues, Wolverine. And then right there, please stick around, because you never know if you might be called. I'm gonna have Richard Simmons. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Christmas is in fact almost here. This is one of those creepy things all kids from the 80s kind of relate to. It's classic. Oh no, it's just gonna stay now. Okay. Hello, Davy. Best overall costume contest, you gotta have a Batman. Little Shop of Horrors. Please do not hurt yourself coming up these stairs. This is incredible. Hi! How are you? The worst costume to have to pee in. I just voted. I don't know what else you're gonna win tonight, but you win that for sure. You are incredible. Please don't eat me. I'll feed you. I'll feed you if you go right over there. Feed me. Amazing. Very well played. Judges, are you catching this? It's a commitment. Oh, wait, she doesn't count. She's the plan's handler. Holy crap. We've had one Beetlejuice. I think we've conjured another. Wow. Have you been walking around like that all night? And never mind, this is the hardest costume to pee in. I take back what I immediately just said. This is awesome. It's obviously Beetlejuice. Before they shrunk his head. This is great. Best overall costume contest. You never know who's gonna win. Some of these costumes are truly incredible though. Hold on, let us help you down there. We don't want you to mess up your couch. Taking a couch down the stairs is not easy. Up, up. So good, you got it? Man, best overall costume contest is tight.